I'd just like to demonstrate the cloner on WP Master Control. When we first load it up, you'll see the screen, so click the cloner tab, and then I've already entered the details here. So there you put your source, WordPress admin details, URL, username and password, and there you put, you select whether you're using cPanel or FTP. The difference being, if you use cPanel option, it will create the database for you. If you use FTP, then you have to manually put the database information in them tabs there. Okay, so cPanel details goes in here. If you're using cPanel there, make sure you put the port on the end. We're using 2082, and don't forget the colon. FTP details, this is the FTP details of the destination site, so this is the site that you want to clone to, preferably a blank domain. You don't want to go and overwrite things. Okay, destination site details WP admin, so you just put where the WP admin will be there on the new domain. You've got to click allow database creation and allow table removal. Now what that will do is it will remove any tables that's in the database already, so don't put it on a domain with a site on already, because it will delete the tables out the database if it's full already. Okay, so once you've done that, you're ready to go. It will clone a live WordPress site from one domain to another live. You don't have to touch anything, which we'll demonstrate now. If I just show you, so the domain that we're putting it onto is just a test domain that we've got, plant-led.co.uk. If I just show you that there's nothing on that site, there you go. So just to show you that we're actually cloning a site. Now the site that we're going to clone is this one. This is our diversify our link site, which will show you as well, so you know what the domain is going to look like that we've cloned once it's finished. Okay, so there's just a quick display so you can see what it's like. I'll just go back to Google there so we don't get confused later. Right, okay, so once you've filled in everything that you need, just press Start to Clone. Read the disclaimer. If you agree, press Yes. Now what this will do is it will go and clone your source site. You'll have status messages down here. These may change from time to time. So what I'll do is I will pause it in between the different messages so you don't take up too much time watching it. Now what it's done at this point is it's actually made two files which it's actually downloading. One's a zip file of your site and the other one is the installer. It will then upload that to the destination site automatically in the background. You don't have to do anything, and when it's finished it will clean the files up so you don't have files lying about. It works with a variety of web hosts. It does do server checks, so if it's not compatible then it won't run, and it will tell you what you need to enable on your server or ask your web admin to enable. But it runs on most servers, and the things that it needs does need the requirements. Most servers have got installed anyway, and if not, it's really easy to install. I'm sure your web admin would do that for you. But like I say, most of them that we've tried so far, it just runs out the box. It's actually uploading the main data file now. This file can vary depending how big your website is. and also how big your database is. So the length of time this takes to upload can vary depending, from site to site, and obviously the speed of your connection. It looks like the data file has just finished uploading. As you can see, it's uploaded the main data file and it's filled in the info there for the destination database. So it's created your database and your user in cPanel already for you. There you go, it says there in the status, clone destination database has been set up OK. Won't be long now before the process is complete, and then we can check. And it's even cleaned all the files up now and deleted the files I just put there, and you can see when it's finished it puts a little box saying clone and process complete. So if we now minimise that and then get the Google Chrome window back up and we put the domain in, which before was blank. There you go. There is a live cloning from our Diversify My Links site to a test domain called plantled.co.uk, and as you can see it's exact. All the pictures, all the videos, everything. You don't need to do anything, it's just cloned. So if you've got money sites or sites you need to roll out, deploy, this is just a total time saver. As you can see, the links work. That was an external link, but everything works as it should do. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.